In this video, we're going to talk about the latest update for EMUI. We know that it's the EMUI 13. Now, it's only rolled out to the Huawei Mate 50 devices. And luckily me, I have the Huawei Mate 50 Pro here, so I can show you what are the things to expect from EMUI 13. Let's get it started. So hi guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So this one is being powered by EMUI 13. So right now, let me show you the settings. So you can see that we are running EMUI 13.0.0 and of course our version is up to date. We don't have any further updates since it's pretty much new. Now basically in EMUI 13, it connects all of your devices and coordinates your tasks, creating an immersive experience among all of your devices to make it tailor-fit just for you. And what's really nice about EMUI 13 is that it gives you a seamless connection between all of your devices. It's called the super device. Now basically the super device is being hidden inside the settings, and basically it's very easy to connect all of your Huawei super devices inside this ecosystem. Now if you want to add your super devices, all you need to do is just drag it in. You can see that I have basically connected my FreeBuds Pro 2 and my Huawei MatePad 11 into this ecosystem. So right now it's connected seamlessly. It's so easy to use. Now, one of the good properties that this one has, you can connect up to 2 buds into this ecosystem. Now, you can now give the other set of buds to another person. Of course, you don't need to share your buds with them. They can connect their buds to you so that it's more hygienic. Now, basically, this is what you can see if you connect your super devices to your Huawei Mate 50 Pro. Right now, it's connected with my Mate 11. So right now, it's being connected to my MatePad 11. So let's just simply use one feature that probably nobody has bothered to try. So this is what we call the multicam. So it's inside your camera, so you just need to access it. So what this does, you can basically use the other camera while you're live streaming, while you're video chatting, or whatever activity you're doing. You can easily access the camera from the other phone. So let's just say right now I'm accessing my camera here, and basically this is my main camera from the Mate 50 Pro. And let's just say I just want to switch my multicam to and if you want to switch your camera, just click select camera. I can switch it over to the camera from the MatePad. So you can select the Huawei MatePad 11 front camera, so just like this. Okay, so right now it's being connected to the front camera of the MatePad 11. So right now it's connecting. So you can see it's on another level. You can access the camera here. So let's just say I want to take a video using the multi-camera. So right now I'm recording using the front camera of the Huawei MatePad 11. And let's just say I want to quickly switch over to my camera. Okay, so switching over to this device. Okay, so it's another view. Okay, so this is what it can do. So basically what's really nice about this one is that you can switch over using the all of 4 cameras from your different devices. It's very versatile. It's really nice if you're doing it for live streaming. One of the main highlights of EMUI 13 is that it has really nice widgets. And what's nice about that is that you can freely customize it. So especially the folder, you can shrink, expand it, or do whatever you want. Maybe just simply to resize this one, like this one. You want to shrink it like this vertically or horizontally, however you want to do it. It's up to you. It's really nice and it's really fun. Now adding widgets is really fun and easy here. And what's nice about this one is that you can even stack your service widgets like this one, and you can combine and do whatever you want. Let's just simply try it. Okay, so if you want to hide it behind another widget, well, yeah, it's Okay, so you simply need to swipe just like flipping a book over. It's really easy. Look at it, it's really fun. And really nice that you don't have to let your widget take over the whole screen. You can simply put everything behind this one just to save a lot of space. Now, another feature that this one has is that it has the Super Hub. Now, let me just quickly demonstrate it, how it works. In order to access Super Hub, all you need to do is just pull it out for around 2 seconds. You can see Super Hub is here. So here you can paste all of your text over here. Just drag and drop it, just like any clipboard. Just make it a clipboard, basically. Let's just say a while ago we searched for this one. So yeah, we want to copy some image of the Mate 50 Pro. So let's just simply drag it over here. You can see that everything's over on this clipboard. Then just simply paste it to your basically your notepad. So right now you can just open up a notepad and drag it out and simply pull out every of those. Okay, so now you have the photo over here. I want to drag over the text over here below. Okay, so you can see. Then we want to drag it here. This one, I want to drag this picture over here. And then to finally conclude it, we have this. Okay, so it's as easy as that. You can, well, basically do a very easy copy and paste article just like this using the Super Hub. And if you want to send these files over to your other super devices, all you need to do is just click this one, select everything. Okay, let's just say you want to select all of these. You can also use this Super Hub to send all of these clippings over to your other super devices. Another cool feature from the EMUI 13 is that it has super storage. Now, probably one of the most important thing is storage. Now, I believe that sometimes you would have sent one single photo to a lot of different apps like Viber, Messenger, WeChat, and WhatsApp. All of them will store the same photo inside its own folder. Now, of course, you want to compress everything and to make it save your space. Since that's just one single photo, you don't need to save it to all 4 locations. What you have to do is just go over to cleanup and just compress this. See this one, compress. Okay, so it will free up some storage for you, some photos, some files, well, redundant files. It will compress it for you. So normally I do this regularly just to free up some space. Really cool. You can also compress some apps like this one. So just press compress and it will do the job for you. This will also free up some space. Okay, so I've already freed up 386 MB. Now, EMUI 13 cares about your privacy. Now, you go to the privacy app, you can see everything that you need to know here from your permission manager, which one has this permission, and like super privacy mode, you can turn it on. Like when it's turned on, it restricts app from accessing your device camera, microphone, and location, but you can, well, just allow it if you need it. And there's also a private space just created for you. Now, I'm more interested in this one, image privacy. Now, I know that sometimes when you send your photos over to some people, you don't want to know where you're located when you take those photos. All of the necessary information, it's there. But if you turn on the remove location info and remove other info, they would no longer find all of those important info from your photos. Checking the control panel, this is what you can see. You can drag it down to see more. And swiping over to the right, you can see all of your widgets over here and some latest news, of course. And swiping over, you can see something just like this. And some of these icons has received some facelift over from the EMUI 12. Now guys, those are some of the most important features that I want to share to you from the EMUI 13 update. Now, if you have something else to share, post it on the comment section below so we can probably discuss about it. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future updates here from my channel. And so, I'm Richard and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?